Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then do share with your family and friends. In today's video we will going to talk about how to do SIP in stocks using Zerodha account. Okay, so here you can able to see that in above options, one option is there, order. In order, here the option is basket. Okay, for making the SIP you need to first create a new basket. Okay, so just click on basket, give any name to that particular basket. After that, just to choose the stock. Suppose I choose Tata Steel. Okay, so I choose Tata Steel. For that you need to first choose the quantities. It can be 1, it can be 10, it can be 100. It's up to you according to your pocket size. So let's take only 1. Okay, it should be long term and it should be market. Okay, just add and the basket has been created. Okay, just close this particular thing. Okay, now one basket has been created with Tata Steel, one stock. Okay, now we have to make the SIP into this particular stock. So we will click near to the basket, one option is there, SIP. Just click onto it, create new SIP, just give the name like Tata Steel. Okay, and just select the basket which we have created already. Now you have to select the date from 1st to 31st. You have the option to choose any date. Okay, let's suppose I will choose 5th. Okay, so every 5th the SIP will execute automatically from your account, and you can also choose the timings. So I will choose 12 o'clock. So I will create, just in few seconds the SIP for Tata Steel with one stock has been created. It is due in next 23 days. So like today the Tata Steel rate is 1354.30. just only you need to maintain sufficient balance into your Zerodha account, not into your bank account, mind it. Okay, so you have to maintain Zerodha account with this much amount. Okay, so with this way you can create the SIP. If you want to create one more SIP, then you can create just Tata Steel 2. Okay, just again click into it. After that you can select the date, suppose different date, different timing, just create. So it has been created. So now this is due in next 12 days. So like this way you can create the SIP. You can anytime edit it, you can anytime pause it, you can anytime delete it. So very much flexibility is there. So via this method you can invest into the stocks with the help of SIP, systematic investment plan. So every month on a particular date, your share of any particular basket which you have created will execute, and that particular share will come into your portfolio. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you so much.